Time for your ABC 36 Storm Team forecast.
A warm and muggy Wednesday here in central and eastern Kentucky. It's taken a while, but scattered showers and thunderstorms developing ahead of a cold front. Once that's cleared, Thursday looks nice for late June. Sunshine, lower humidity, similar to what we had this past Monday. This pattern of heat, then a cold front bringing storms, followed by briefly less humidity. That's going to roll along. Looking quiet, but we're going to slowly heat things up, kicking off July next week. All right, here's Viper radar. We've got the activity in far southeastern Kentucky, a few cells developing far southern Kentucky, and then off to the southeast of Lexington. It's been dry here in the bluegrass, but we'll have to watch this cluster coming out of Louisville, working eastward, right on the nose of that frontal boundary. Out here in the east, this cell warned for Prestonsburg and off to the east over into Martin County. Got this one just to the north of Hindman, which is potentially producing maybe some small hail as well. And a couple of these cells showing up with the skit data here. They're just north of McKee on the north side there along US 421 in Jackson County. Got about 50% chance of severe hail with this. It's moving eastward. It's going to be around the Rocky Hill Heights area. 547 Sturgeon, about 611, and then from Irvin running down into southeastern parts of Estill County and western Lee County, just west of Beattyville, and then heading into southern Kentucky here, scattered about Pulaski County, and then just north of Lake Cumberland there. And running up south of Liberty in Casey County. So you see everything firing up. Again, the boundaries back here along the river, and that's helping to fuel some of the storms around Louisville, which may work eastward and impact north central Kentucky. Keeping an eye on this stuff out here in the Nashville area. That could arc up into some of our southwestern counties. Right now, severe thunderstorm watch eastern and southern Kentucky until 10 o'clock. This is on the southwestern edge of a watch. It goes all the way up into western Ohio, and it essentially matches where we have the level 2 risk. Damaging winds, that's the primary threat. Some larger hail, but that's more so off to our east. Downtown Mount Sterling in Montgomery County, it's 86. Taking a little while for us to warm up here in the bluegrass because of some cloudiness earlier. Taking you to Casey County, I mentioned those storms to your south. It's 83, but those areas of southern Kentucky that had a lot more in the way of sunshine, you're still upper 80s. A lot of rain-cooled air, Manchester, Hazard, over to Jackson. One thing you can feel everywhere is the humidity. It is up, and it is going to continue to be that way for a few more hours. Notice here that front, again, stretched right along the I-71 corridor along the Ohio River. It will sweep through high pressure over the upper Midwest. That's going to push some drier air into the region. So going through the evening hours, we'll be dodging, again, a few scattered showers and storms. Can't rule out a few stronger storms. Not anything overly widespread. And then tomorrow, you see how much better shape we're in. North to northeast breeze, drier air, sunshine, and highs in the mid-80s. So that's something to look forward to here. But you know it's not going to last because similar to what we had earlier in the week, the heat, it builds back in, low 90s Friday, and then we've got yet another front on the way late Saturday night into Sunday when we could see maybe a strong storm potential then, but that's our best rain chance over the next 5 days. You see how we drop the humidity tomorrow. It arcs on Saturday, and then as we kick off July on Monday, once again, it's going to feel pretty good. So the timing has Saturday into Saturday night and early Sunday here in the bluegrass. Some of that stuff may linger down south during the afternoon. Good start to July, nice and pleasant, but once again, that pattern repeats itself as the heat kicks in and picks up heading toward the 4th of July, just beyond the 7 days. So tomorrow looking a whole lot better, 85 for the afternoon high. We jump back into the low 90s Friday, Saturday, and then kicking off July on Monday, very nice, mid-80s and low humidity levels, and you can say hello to the 90s once again as we head back into the low 90s this time.